So I'm recording a video. It's just going to be a basic how to shotgun a soda, as you see here. And so the reason why I haven't been uploading is because I don't have a computer to edit on, and I'm in Arizona, and I'm with all my family, so yeah. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to tilt your can out, just so it doesn't make like a squirt when you do it. And then what you're gonna do next is you're gonna get something you can like poke a hole in, and so tilt it, and then just like stab it. Try to stab it like lightly. Hold on, I haven't done this in a while, and I can't see anything. Alright, so as you see there, I got all the air out, and right now, I'm just gonna... Alright, that was a fail. I stabbed a hole through both sides. So I'm just gonna leave this over here, and I'm gonna get a new one real quick. Alright guys, I'm back, and alright, it's still recording, that's good. So you tilt, you get the air out. I'm just gonna use my nail to put a bigger hole. Alright, so you got that. Take a little sip of it quick. Try to get a bigger hole. Because you want like the hole to be pretty big. Yeah, so I don't know if you can see that, but you want the hole to be like that size. And so let me just put this down. Then you're gonna hold the cap you open it with. Hold on, my hands are really cold right now. I cannot. Alright, so you get the cap, and you just go like this. You pull the cap when you're about to chug, and so that is how you shotgun.